Good morning, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Beautiful day here in Hickory, North Carolina. I'm in a beautiful development. It's Monday morning. We're here to start a full sand and refinish, going back to natural on these beautiful solid floors. This client here found me on Google, geez, about a month ago. I came out here, gave him an estimate, and here I am today. We're gonna get this sanded and we're gonna get 3 coats down. Let me take you inside, I'll show you what we're up against. We're doing this entranceway here, this little dining room. You see that in here, the floors are in relatively decent shape, but in the kitchen they're really worn, as you can see here. Ton of wear from the laddie. There's laddie. Beautiful German Shepherd. So this dining room, little kitchen here, and into this hallway. That's it. It's a small project, 500 feet. We're about to get it sanded and get it back to natural. So stick around. It's going to be a great episode. Alrighty guys, we're putting down the sealer. Look how good this is gonna look. Tomorrow I'll come back and buff it and put the second and third coat down. Fantastic. Alrighty, stick around. Good morning and welcome to day 2. Beautiful, beautiful day in Hickory, North Carolina. Beautiful golf course development up here in Catawba County. We got the coat of the seal coat down yesterday, and look how good these floors look. I'm about to abrade it, get my first coat down. Remember how bad and black and worn it was here? Little bit that we couldn't get out, and our customer was aware of that from the beginning, and we talked about doing some board replacements, and they opted just to see, get it as light as we can, and they're okay with that. Boy, it cleaned up really nice. We're about to get the coat down, and I'll come back and show you the results, like always. But boy, this turned out fantastic. I'm gonna get the first coat down in a little bit, and then I'll get the second coat later this afternoon, and we'll be done with this project. Moving on to the next one. We got a screen coat coming up on Thursday and Friday. And then we start another full sand and installation on Saturday and all of next week. So stick around, I'll come back and show you some more results on this job. There goes the Good House Mobile. We're right on the golf course. Beautiful day, it's nice and cool. Alrighty, stick around. First coat is going down. Look how good this is gonna look. Can I get an OMG? So we are here to put the last and final coat. Check out how good this looks. Beautiful. We worked real hard to get this floor down, looking this good. Anywho, we're gonna put the last coat down, and tomorrow morning I'll come back and check everything, and I'll get the final video. This looks great with the 2 coats. It's gonna get one more right now. This is the 3rd morning of this project. I'm just here to check on everything and clean up a little bit, and I'm gonna show you guys the final results. Look how good this looks. Beautiful. They're gonna be so happy. And once again, as always, thanks for watching. All right, guys, I'm with my clients, Margaret and John. I just did their floors. Look how beautiful they look. And John and Margaret would like to give me a little testimony about how I did for them.
I think the finish is absolutely fantastic, and we're really happy with it.
Thank you, John. Thank you, Margaret. Thank you so much.
This is beautiful. It's the way it should be, and I tell you that everybody was fantastic.
Thank you.
I would highly recommend it.
Thank you so much.
Future job.
Thank you.
Thank you.